Mommy.
It's bigger?
Yeah.
It does. It sets up into something big, doesn't it? For outside. Is it a game for outside?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
This is orange back. Or this one is...
Alright, which one do you want?
Yeah.
The big one? This is from William.
Venom.
William. Could it be? What could it be? This is much stronger paper than the other one, isn't it? I wonder where I bought this paper. I like it. Look at that. What's that? What's that? Bone, right? And what's that? And what's that? Pirate ship.
It's a skeleton. Why is it pirate ship? It's a skeleton, isn't it?
I need to know what a school is. Pirate ship is just over here. So I need to keep them off before, huh?
Oh, is that from William? Yeah. Oh, basketball.
Whoa! What is that? What is that? Hey, what do you think about the basketball set? What do you think about that? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got 2 games for outside. That's excellent. Which one do you want? Which